Now, once again, welcome to you all. Now we are going to continue our topic. Means in previous lecture we are started the combination of the resistances, and then after numericals. This is based on the combination of the resistances. So some problems now we are going to discuss again. Suppose this is the first problem, and in that suppose three resistors are there, and then after they are connected like that. Suppose this is the one end, and then after this is the another end B, and suppose the resistance of this resistor, suppose this is R, this is what 2R, and then after this is what R. This we are taking. Now we want to find out the equivalent resistance of this network, right? So first of all, here to see. From here we are going to start. So there are the two paths are there. This is the first one, and then after here this is the second one. So if path are changed, definitely this and this are what in parallel. Now from here to start, this is, then again here you have to see, this is the one path, and then after this is another path. So this and this is also what in what parallel. In similarly here to see, this is the path, and then after this is, and then after this is. It means that this is also parallel. So the equivalent circuit of this network that we can make, because all three resistances they are what parallel to each other. So the equivalent circuit of this we can make like that. This is the first one, and then after here this is the second one, and then after this is what third one, right? And then this is the B, and then after this is A. So this is the R, and then after this is the 2R, and then after this is what R, right? Now this is the very simple problem is there, means all three resistors they are connected what in parallel. So equivalent resistance of this network means, suppose this is the R equivalent, so this is the 1 upon R plus 1 upon 2R, and plus this is what R, right? So LCM when you are going to take, here this is the 2R, and then this is what this R cancel, this is the 2, this is the 1, and then after this is the 2. So this is the 5 by 2R. R equivalent, this is the what we will get, just have to reverse. This is the 2 by 5 R. So resistance of this means the equivalent resistance of this network, this is the 2 by 5 R, right? In this problem we want to calculate again the equivalent resistance of this given network. So for calculation of the equivalent resistance of this network, here you have to see all the resistances they are connected in the form of the rhombus, and here these are the two diagonals of the rhombus. And when you are going to apply the potential difference across end, means current is flowing in that. So here you have to see, this is what R, and this is also R. So due to this region, here at this point and at this point, the value of what electric potential due to the same, therefore potential difference, this is what 0. So no current flowing through this, means R resistance, and then after R. So when you are going to calculate the equivalent resistance, so these and these resistances we can neglect. So our circuit it is become like that. This one and this one, when this is neglected, so this and this are connected in series. So we can arrange like that, and then after this and this is also connected in series, like that, and then this and this also connected in what series, like that, and this is another end, this is what B, and then after this is what A. So this we are neglected due to the same potential difference at this and same potential at this and this point. So this is what? R, and then after this is R, this is R and R. Now after this one, if you are going to reduce this, both are connected one series, this is also series, this is also series. So the equivalent resistance of this and this is what? Now suppose this point, this is A. So this is become 2R. And then this is also what? 2R. And in downside this is also what? 2R. Now after that you have to see. Now all three resistances are connected in what? Parallel. So it is very easy for calculation of the equivalent resistance of this network. So when you are going to calculate R equivalent, this is, so what will get? 1 upon 2R, 1 upon 2R plus 1 upon 2R, right? So LCM, this is the 2R, 1 plus 1 plus 1, this we will get R 1 upon R equivalent, this is equal to 3 by 2R. So R equivalent what will get? R equivalent, this is the 2 by 3 R, right? So the equivalent resistance of this network, this is what? 2 by 3 R. Here you have to see, this is the problem number 3, and in this case here we want to calculate what? Equivalent resistance. This is the first one, this is the question mark, means equivalent resistance of this network. And second one, what? Current flowing through this. Current means I, this we want to calculate. So here you see 5 resistors are there and they are connected like that, right? So first of all we are going to discuss what is the equivalent network of given network. So this we can arrange in the form of this one. Here you see this is this and this are in parallel, and then after this is also what? In parallel, and then this is the middle resistance is there. So the equivalent circuit of this network we can make like that. They are forming what? Wheatstone bridge, means like that. Here this is the one, means 1 ohm resistance, and then after this is the bridging resistance is there, means this is the 5 ohm resistance, and then this is the 2 ohm, and here this is the 4 ohm, and then after this is what? A2, and here this is the 6 volt. So here to see, this is the equivalent circuit of this network. Now after that, if they are these resistances, they are forming the Wheatstone bridge, then this is the property of the Wheatstone bridge. When bridge is what? In balance condition. Balance condition means what? If bridge is what? In balance condition, then this condition is there, means the ratio of this and this are, this must be equal to the ratio of this and this are, right? So here you have to find the ratio of this and this. Suppose this is the R1, and then after this is the R2 equal to 2 ohm, this is the R3, and then this is what? R4, right? And then this is the R1. So R1 upon R2 means R1 upon R2, this is equal to what? 1 by 2. Similarly you have to see R3 upon R4. So R3 upon R4 what will get? This is equal to 4 by 8, hence this is also 1 by 2. So R1 upon R2, this is equal to R3 upon R4. Therefore this our bridge is what? In balance condition. If bridge is what? In balance condition, this is what? In balanced condition. So if bridge is what? Balanced condition, then there is no any current flowing this resistance, so we can neglect 5 ohm resistance from this circuit, right? So when you are going to neglect this 5 ohm resistance from this circuit, then our circuit, it is reduced in the form of, this is equivalent to this one. Now this is become in the form of this one, this is, and here this is, and then after this is the another, and then after this is what, another, right? Here there is no meaning of this one. So this is what, 6 volt battery. This is the 1 ohm, and then after this is the 2 ohm, this is the 4 ohm, and then after this is the 8 ohm, right? So this is R1, and here this is the R2, this is the R3, and then after this is the R4. Now after that you have to see R1 and R2, they are what, series. In similar way, R3 and R4, they are also what, they are also connected in series. First we are going to calculate the equivalent resistance of R1 and R2. So here you have to see R1 and R2 are what, series. So suppose this is the R dash, R1 and R2, they are what, in series combination. So suppose R dash, this is the equivalent of this and this one. So this is the R1 plus R2, means 1 plus 2, this is what, 3 ohm. Now here also have to see that R3 and R4, they are also what, series. Suppose R double has the equivalent resistance of R3 and R4. So this is equal to R3 plus R4, and here 4 plus 8, and then this is what, 12 ohm, right? This is. Now after this one, when you are finding the equivalent resistance, then our circuit, it is become like that. Just here you have to see. So now this is become reduced in the form of this one, this is, and then after this is, and both are connected. This is the 6 volt battery. So this is the R dash 3 ohm, R double dash, this is equal to 12 ohm. Now both are connected in what, parallel. So equivalent resistance that we are going to find out. So R equivalent, this is equal to what, 1 upon R dash plus 1 upon R, this is the double dash, 1 upon R double dash, right? So 1 upon R dash, this is the 3, so 1 by 3 plus 1 by 12. LCM, this is the 12, and then this is the 4 plus 1. So this is the 5 by 12. R equivalent, this is equal to 12 by 5 ohm. This is the R equivalent we are getting. So first one is over. Now second one, we want to calculate how much current is flowing in this circuit. So Ohm's law you have to use. Now by Ohm's law, V equal to what, IR. So here R means this is the R equivalent. So V, this is the 6, I we want to calculate, and then this is the 12 by 5. So I, this is equal to this multiply by this, and then this is the 12. Here this is the 2, and then after the 5 by 2 means this is the 2.5. So I, this is the 2.5 ampere current is flowing in this network. Now here this is the next problem. This is given. Now we want to calculate the equivalent resistance, and then second one we want to calculate the current flowing in this circuit. This is means I we want to calculate, and then after R equivalent. So here you have to see how many resistances are there. 3 resistances are there, and they are connected in what, in the shape of the triangle. Suppose this is what, R1, and then this is the R2, and then after this is the R3, right? And here this is the R3. So each of what, 1 ohm resistances are there. Now here you have to see this and this resistance, means R2 and R3. This is the head to tail arrangement are there. Therefore they are connected in what, series. So R2 and R3 connected in what, series. So equivalent resistance, suppose this is the R dash. So this is the R2 plus R3, means 1 plus 1, this is the 2. Now then the circuit is reduced in the form of this one. Now here this is the one resistance, means this is the R1, and then the equivalent, this is also like that, and here this is the R1, this is the 1 ohm, and then after this is the R dash, what we are getting there, this is the 2 ohm. Now here you have to see both are connected now, means R1 and R dash both are connected in what, parallel, because two paths are there, current in this and current in this flowing, this is what different. So this is the 6 volt current total, suppose this is I is flowing. Now R dash, this R dash and this R1, they are what in parallel, means R1 and R dash what in what, parallel. So if these are what in parallel, now equivalent resistance of this network, now we want to calculate. So 1 upon R equivalent, this is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R dash. So 1 upon R1, this is means 1 by 1, there is no problem, and then after this is the 1 by 2. So LCM, this is the 2, here this is the 2 plus 1, so this is the 3 by 2. So 1 upon R equivalent, what we are getting there, this is the 3 by 2. R equivalent, this is equal to 2 by 3 ohm. So this is the equivalent resistance of this network, right? After that we want to calculate the current flowing in that. So by Ohm's law, V equal to what, IR, right? So potential, this is given 6, current we want to calculate, and then this is what, 2 by 3. So I equal to what, 6 into 3 by 2. So this is the 3. So I equal to what, 9 ampere. Means the total current flowing, this is what, 9 ampere. This is the next problem. Here also same condition is there. It means we want to find out the equivalent network, equivalent resistance of given network. So from this point is P and this is what Q is given, and here you have to see, for finding the equivalent resistance of this network, you have to see from, if you are from this end, from P, if you are going to start. So here you have to see, this is the one path, and after this is what, this is the another path, this is the another path, like that. So here you have to see, means this and this resistances, definitely they are connected in water in parallel. In similarly, if you are now from here you have to see, again two paths are there, this is the bridge is there, so definitely this and this also what in parallel, means this and this, these two resistances and these two resistances, they are parallel. Now then if you want to reduce this circuit, so this we can make like that. Here this is one end, means this is the P, and here these are the two resistances, means they are connected in parallel, like that, and then this is the bridge is there. So here again these two resistances are there, they are what in parallel, and this in, suppose this is the Q, and then this is another resistance, means like that we are making. So this is the 1 ohm, this is the 1, each of what, 1 ohm resistances are there. Now after this one you have to see, suppose this is what, R1, and then after this is what, R2, this is the R3, this is R4, and then after this is what, R5, right? So here you have to see, this R1 and R2, they are what in parallel, R1 and R2, this is what, they are connected in parallel. So R equivalent, suppose this is the R dash, so 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2, right? So this is the 1 by 1, 1 by 1, means 1 upon R dash, what we are getting that, this is the 1 plus 1, means this is the 2. So R dash, what we will get, this is the 1 by 2, means equivalent of this is the 1 by 2. Similarly, if R double dash is equivalent resistance of R3 and R4. So this is also same, because resistances of 1 and 1 ohm, this is given. So R double dash, this is also what, 1 by 2 will get. Now after this one, our circuit, it is reduced in the form of this one. Here you have to see, this is here, and then this is the one end here, and then after this is what, another end, right, like that. This is the P, and then after this is the Q. Here R dash means 1 by 2, R double dash, this is also 1 by 2, and then this is what, 1. Now after this one, R dash and R double dash, they are what, in series. So means R dash and R double dash, they are connected in what, series. So equivalent, suppose R triple dash, so this is equal to R dash plus R double dash, means 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, means R triple dash, this is the 1 ohm. So this is also what, 1 ohm. So the equivalent of R dash and R double dash, we are getting this is R triple dash, this is the 1 ohm. Now circuit it is become like that. This is one resistance, means R triple dash, this is the P, and then after this is the Q, and here this is what, like that. So this is R5, this is what, R5, this is R5 that we are written. So R5, this is the 1 ohm, and this is what, R triple dash, this is also what, 1 ohm we are calculated. So both the resistances, means R triple dash and R5, they are connected in parallel. Now equivalent resistance, so R equivalent, this is equal to 1 upon R triple dash plus 1 upon R5. So R triple dash, this is the 1 by 1, and then this is also what, 1 by 1, right? So what we will get, 1 plus 1, this is the 2, right? So R equivalent, what we will get, this is the 1 by 2, means the equivalent resistance of given network, this is what, 1 by 2 ohm.